Welcome back. Today we're diving into the near future. 10 everyday things AI will do for you that will quietly rearrange how you live, work, and chill. These aren't sci-fi fantasies. They're practical, believable shifts that mix software, sensors, and a little autonomy. By the end, you'll see why some tasks you hate now will be handled for you, and why a few of them might make you uncomfortable in a good way. Stick around. Number 4 will explain how AI can save you real money every month. Number 7 will show how your creative work could be produced in minutes. And number 10 reveals the one AI role that changes the way your online life survives after you're gone. Curious? Good, because I've got a surprise example at number 6 that most people aren't expecting. Let's jump in. 1. A truly context-aware personal assistant. Not just reminders, but intent. Imagine an assistant that doesn't just know your meetings, it understands why each meeting matters. It reads your emails for context, scans attachments for action items, and suggests replies, follow-ups, or even schedules pre-meeting prep time for you. Beyond calendars, it picks up tone, urgency, and relationships, so it will flag a message from your boss as higher priority than a newsletter. It can synthesize lengthy threads into a 1-minute briefing and, when you want, auto-respond with an approved style and facts. That means fewer interruptions, more focused work blocks, and fewer "oops, I forgot" moments. Later, I'll show how this assistant negotiates on your behalf when you can't. Wait until you hear the negotiation example in number 4. 2. Autonomous home management. The home that orders, cleans, and fixes itself. This goes beyond voice commands. AI monitors appliance performance, predicts when your fridge filter or washing machine parts will fail, and schedules a repair or orders the part. It learns patterns. If you run out of coffee every Sunday, it pre-orders before you do. Coupled with simple robots, vacuuming, lawn care, and smart appliances, your home becomes a self-healing, self-replenishing system where mundane maintenance fades into the background. The result: fewer last-minute errands and fewer surprise breakdowns. Keep watching. One of the home hacks we'll cover later saves you a weekend every month. 3. Health Guardian. Continuous, preventive, personalized care. AI stitches together data from wearables, smart scales, sleep trackers, and even your fridge to create a real-time health snapshot. It spots subtle trends, rising, resting heart rate, or sleep fragmentation, before you do, and recommends concrete next steps. Hydration, a telemedicine check, slight med adjustments. For chronic conditions, it manages reminders, tracks symptoms, and summarizes episodes for your doctor so appointments are efficient. Critically, it acts as an early warning system. If patterns suggest a problem, it escalates to a human clinician. Wait until number 9. We'll talk about how these systems can also support mental health, not just physical. 4. Automated money manager. Micro decisions that add up. Think of an AI that handles the tiny financial chores you hate, negotiating bills, spotting suspicious subscriptions, automatically rounding up spare change into investments, and rebalancing your portfolio based on short-term cash needs. It knows your goals, vacation, emergency fund, and moves money to meet deadlines while applying risk limits you set. It also bargains for you. AI can call or chat with service providers, cite competitive offers, and get your cable or phone bill lowered, all without you spending hours on hold. Later, I'll give a real-world style script that shows AI negotiating a discount while you're asleep. 5. Smart shopping and errands. Anticipation, not reaction. Rather than you making shopping lists, AI predicts what you'll need based on usage, recipes, and calendar events. Visitors coming over, order extra snacks. It compares stores, finds coupons, and chooses the best delivery window. For returns or warranty claims, it generates pre-filled forms and handles logistics. This reduces decision fatigue and makes errands invisible. If you think shopping automation is small, wait for number 2. You'll see how it syncs with your home to reorder the exact replacement part you need. 6. Personalized learning coach. Micro lessons that actually stick. AI designs tiny, daily lessons tailored to how you learn. It spots whether you remember concepts better with visuals, quizzes, or practice, and adjusts the format. Want to learn guitar or brush up on coding? The AI builds a plan that fits your calendar. 8-minute focus sprints when you're free, practice reminders, and contextual prompts, e.g., use this chord during today's commute jam session. Progress reports show what you've mastered and what needs repetition, so your learning is efficient and frictionless. Later, I'll reveal how your coach can design a 30-minute crash course for a job interview the night before. 7. Creative Sidekick. Ideas, drafts, edits, and polish in minutes. AI won't replace your voice, it will be your co-creator. From helping brainstorm thumbnails to writing tight scripts, generating storyboards, and rough-cutting video edits, AI accelerates creative workflows. Need 10 hook variations for a thumbnail? Done. Want an instant rough cut with suggested B-roll timings and captioning? Done. You still choose tone and final direction, but AI handles the repetitive, technical heavy lifting, so creators ship faster and iterate more. Watch for the demo clip near the end where AI suggests 3 thumbnail hooks. One surprising idea you'll want to steal. 8. Travel and Daily Commute Optimizer. Dynamic, hassle-free movement. AI books your trips, but not in a static way. It monitors weather, traffic, canceled flights, and your preferences, then rebooks, reroutes, or suggests alternatives instantly. For commutes, it merges public transit, ride shares, and micro-mobility, so your door-to-door time is minimized. If plans change, it updates your itinerary, notifies contacts, and reschedules anything that depends on your arrival. It's like having a travel manager in your pocket. Stay till the end. I'll give a micro tutorial on an AI rebooking flow that avoids missed meetings. 9. Emotional Wellness Partner. Nudges, checks, and human escalation. AI monitors mood signals from text patterns, sleep, activity, and self-reports to offer targeted support. Short breathing exercises, journaling prompts, or a suggested break. It remembers what helps you. A walk, a call to a friend, or a specific grounding exercise. Importantly, it escalates to trained professionals when it detects serious risk, acting as a bridge rather than a replacement for human care. The goal, timely, personalized support that reduces small crises before they grow. In the Q&A at the end, I'll address privacy, who sees this data, and how you keep it safe. 10. Digital Identity and Privacy Manager, your online estate steward. As our lives scatter across apps, AI becomes the gatekeeper. It manages permissions, negotiates data access, and enforces your privacy preferences automatically. It can scrub accounts of old posts, archive content for errors, or create a digital will that decides what stays public. When companies change privacy policies, AI summarizes the changes and recommends action. It's the difference between feeling powerless and having an active steward for your digital self. If you're worried about handing over control, the next video could be about creating airtight guardrails. But for now, let this idea sit with you. What if your online life could be organized for you when you're not looking? AI will take on chores we've tolerated for decades, the tiny, repetitive tasks that steal time and attention. The big picture isn't that machines replace us, but that they amplify our focus on the things that matter: creativity, relationships, and rest. Some trade-offs will be tricky. Privacy, reliance, and uneven access are real challenges. But if implemented with clear guardrails, these 10 everyday AI helpers can turn hours of friction into minutes of frictionless living. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and comment. Which of these 10 would you hand over to AI first? I'll be reading the replies and featuring the best questions in the next video. Also, I promise demos. Check the pinned comment for sample prompts you can try with creative AI tools today.